All right, now the main part is I is the card. Okay, so for the card we already have the inspiration, which is basically this one. Let me just go to the design area, and I really like these card. Okay, so these cards are awesome and I really like it, and so I will just copy this. All right, and but instead of copying this first, I will go to the card itself. But we can definitely create that easily. Okay, so I will just select this a whole and go to workspace and paste it over here. Okay, and for this one thing that I can do over here is let me see what are the thing that we can do over here is yeah, this is fine. I think I will make it blank. Okay, perfect. This is the thing that I wanted to do. All right, so paste over here, paste here, then subtext, copy it and paste it. All right, I will definitely play with that, but so far we can do that. Okay, so now take it to the left, to the left, align like this, and now we need the main part, which is designing our card. Okay, so for designing our card we have these details. Okay, these are the details, and for this one I will definitely use the background image here. Okay, I think where is the image? Here is the image, so copy this, paste it here, or as a whole I can do it like this. How much size is this one? Is 330, so I will give it auto layout. All right, perfect, this is perfect. Now for this one I will ungroup this and get rid of the component. So how I did it, I just you can do it like right click on it, and instead of this like component, you can detach instance. So once you detach that, now it's no longer is a component. Okay, so this one is 7 days to D. Okay, and no worries, we can definitely put the logo here as well, but at least you need to get we also need to give like a proper heading. Okay, and for this one, what do you think? I think this one should be 48. Yes, and instead of that much black bold, it should be semi bold. Okay, and for this one it should be 16 is fine, but body text. Okay, and it should be middle align, and make sure this one is aligned middle as well. Okay, now let's select both of those and put that inside here. And for this one, since we will definitely use this black, so maybe for this one I will use this color. Okay, and this is white, this should be white, this should be white as well. All right, and for some reason I will make this middle align, and for the button I think I should make it by now. Okay, perfect. So we created our item as well, and we will make it component. So if we want to change in this, we can easily do the changes. Okay, and yeah, right now let me increase the size of it. like this. Command X to paste it inside, and for this one I will increase it all the way to over here, and this one should be like this. Okay, and we also need to do it like this one. So if we want to make it like this, we can either play with this as well. All right, and or even we can remove auto layout from here. Okay, so right now I'm unable to see the stuff, but once I click on this link, and I can clip the content, unclip the content, so now we are able to see this. Okay, perfect. So far so good. We created our first ever card. It's great. And now let me just delete this from here. Okay, and this is our first card. All right, so far so good. I think I will also give it a roundness of 24 pixel. Okay, here, and boom, this is the first card. We have it, and even I can also make it a component. Okay, so now we have the cards here. Perfect. So let's try and implementing each of the card. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, and let's put it inside here. I can also copy and paste this logo here. It should be top right, like this, and maybe in the middle, somewhere in the middle. Yes, perfect. And for this one, I think let's try to use Blake, and for this one we will do something good here as well. I think let's try to use this color. Let's see which color is this one. So maybe this is very, I think this color is fine. Let me see which one color is good. I want to know, but I'm selecting this color. Let's give it a custom color, and we can definitely replace this. Okay, so for this one I will use this color. Yeah, I think this is fine now. This is perfect. Okay, so now let's Command D and duplicate it. Okay, all right, perfect. Instead of the 3, we can make it 4. We can make it 4 since we have 1600 in size. Okay, so we can definitely make it 4. So I will give it auto layout, and the sizing in the middle one should be 24 pixel, and from the side we can give it 32. All right, and I will make it all the way to the left, right. Perfect. And select all of those, and it should be fill container. Perfect. And this one should be middle align. Let me see. This one should be middle align. All right, so I was finding a solution for it, and for now let me just give it auto layout, and it should be middle align. And let's see, actually I'm doing like this instead of, I will get rid of this. Okay, now I will even remove this text here. Now I'm selecting those two, giving auto layout. It is now middle align. Okay, and the top line, and I can make it above now. All right, so it was very easy, and I think this is how we can do this. Okay, so now you can see over here, hey, let's try and use this here. Yes, and delete these. Okay, so it for this except we can make it a component. So let me just make it a component. All right, this is card 2. All right, now I will place it over here, duplicate that, remove this, 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. I think I should make it before, and for this one I will fill container. Wonderful. So now we have a perfect cards. All right, and I think this is exactly what we were looking for. And for the text I will align it middle. This one should be also middle, and this one is middle. Perfect. All right, boom. One thing that I can do here is instead of the background I will make it black. All right, and I will just copy this hex code. The background I will make it black, the black we have, and for this one I can put this color and see how it looks. I think one other thing that we can do here is I will give it a stroke. So a stroke of this color and see how it looks. Instead of this, we are trying. So instead of, we have a drop shadow already over here, right? So I will make this drop shadow like this and see how it looks. Yep, I think this is perfect. I think this is perfect for now. Okay, so boom, we have it over here. The size should be 48 in here. Okay, and for this let's try and implement the other images. Okay, so let's put this over here. All right, delete, and delete from here. We need just an image, so copy image and paste it over here. Why? Copy as PNG. All right, and paste it here. Why it's not replacing? So we have used one component here, so I will take this component out. Okay, so let's pause this video for now, and for the rest I need to take a break, and I will do that because I'm stuck. My mind is not working. Here. Okay, all right, so I'm back and let's do that. So we have an issue over here and we need to find a solution for it. So for example, if I am copying this, all right, I'm copying it and paste it over here. You can see over here this size compressed. Okay, so for this what we can do is we will select this and we will make this fixed height. Okay, first thing first, I did it. Now for this one again I will make it fixed height. Okay, and for this one again this is already fixed, so let's see if we have some more or not, but yeah, that's fine. And now let me just replace that image, and now for this what I can do is fill the container. Okay, so you can see over here this is perfectly placed, but what we have the issue is of course the roundness. So the roundness should be 24 pixel. Okay, and we don't need the stroke here. So yeah, I think we are done with the first page. So now you can see over here we have this this of course image, and as well as we already have this overlay as well. So we need to do the overlay as well here. Okay, For some reason I think it should be like this, and let's see if I can, yeah, perfect, this is it. All right, so now instead of doing one by one here, I think we should do that in components. Okay, so like we will create a variance for it. So let me just create a variant here, and boom, I will make it I just replace these content over here. Okay, and again I will remove the stroke here. I will make the roundness to all the way 24 pixel. Okay, and boom, we have it over here. And now we also need to replace this image as well, so I will copy the property and paste the property here. So now the image is replaced. One other thing that we can do here is I will give it of course overlay of 47%, since we have the overlay over here as well. You can see over here, here is the overlay. Okay, so perfect. Now this one is created. Add another variant here, and for this one let's use this one. All right, copy the property, paste it, and let's make it 24 pixel, and it should be okay, I think the rest of the property is already over here, so we don't need to worry about it, but we need to just remove the stroke here. And for this one we need to replace this image. Okay, I think it was this one. All right, so let's replace this image. Perfect, wonderful. Now we even need to rename it as well. So this one is ARMA, this one is, let's try AIOF or something, and this one is 7 days to die or something. All right, so perfect. Now I think this one, this idea is very good. All right, so even if you have the image, so we can, you know, like if you want to copy paste the image like this, we can even do that as well. But we, for the image, it will, this thing will be also copy, even if we could copy and paste it like this. All right, just copy the property here and paste it, and we need to do those things manually as well. So 24 pixel, we also need to remove this stroke here. Okay, and obviously replace the logo here as well. Okay, and this one should be, this one we needed is, this should be width, and let's go to image, and instead of cropped, let's make it fill. Okay, so now it is filled. All right, so this is fine. We can definitely play with that as well. So for now we will use just use those images, and definitely we can do it for the rest. So for now we will use this, and then okay, so for this one, the one is fine. Then let's do the second one, let's do the third one, and the fourth one here. Okay, and now I will duplicate this. Okay, and even let's try, and of course, you know, do the other stuff as well. So because we need to make it perfect, but for now I think this is fine, but you know what is the very good experience over here in this example is we have the button, we have that button, right? Like over here, the load more button. So this is very important, like this for UX side, on UX side it is very important. For example, we don't need to show all of the server over here, and it but we will just give a button like show more, and it will, once user click on it, it will basically you know, like load the other server as well. So for now I think this is perfect. All right, so this section is also done. Let me just give it auto layout. So auto layout here, and auto layout as a whole here as well. Okay, and the top should be we did it 90, so let's give it a 90 here. All right, now let's take those components to over here. Of course we will organize it later, but for now we don't need it, so let's get rid of those. All right, perfect. Now place this over here and place this over here as well. All right, so we are creating two variation simultaneously, so this is very good technique. All right, so yeah, so far so good, we are on the right direction. But in here I think like about this testimonial, I want another version, another section of basically this one. I really want a section of like this, where in which we can like this, right? So which we can scroll, you know, from left to right. So let's do this version as well. Okay, so I will just copy this and come over here and paste it over here. All right, so nothing special over here. We have the section, so let me just copy and paste over here, remove this one, and we need a fill, so I will give it a fill. All right, and the fill should be of course our color, so let's make it black. All right, and let's give it like 90. All right, 90% pixel top and bottom padding. All right, and one other thing that we can do here is we will give it a title, so the title should be like okay, I think we need to give it, so choose the game server you want, or the trending. I think for this one let's use this one, this title and subtext. All right, so choose, perfect. Now we need the subtext as well. And in here, if you can see over here, we have a functionality of the search game as well, so this is also we need to think about as well. All right, this is perfect. Now let's do it for this one. All right, and let's copy this one over here as well, and it should be middle align, trending servers. All right, and we don't need it for now because it will be scrolling from left to right. All right, so let's remove the fill. All right, let's first remove this fill option over here, so we don't need fill. Okay, I will just do a fixed width, and wait one sec. All right, and click on this. It should be, yeah, this is fine. This should not be. Let's do fill container here. Hub container. I think this is perfect. We just need to do that like this. Okay, so now for this one I will also make it middle align, so now we have the functionality of this. All right, so I will just make it clip mask. All right, and the size should be the same as what we have over here. Okay, and let's put that over here. So now if you can see over here, this is basically, you know, creating effect of dragging from left to right. But in here I will just decrease the size, the spacing between the card should be 16. All right, and here for here I think it should be fill container. Let me know what is the problem here. Fill container, hug container. Yeah, it is now hugged. Perfect. So yeah, so far so good. This one, these two should be also hugged. All right. So once I did these hug stuff, like this, internally you can see over here the size is smaller because we have used uh, this like padding from left to right as well. So right now, if I make it 0, so this is the power of now we have 0 over here, but I really need space over here, and I really like this direction. So I think this is fine, we can proceed with that, and I will copy paste over here as well. So yeah, boom, we have it over here, and now the landing page is organizing and perfectly. Okay, so we are on the right track. And here I add this white button. I think we can also do that for this one. And let's try some more primary, minimal. I think the secondary one is a good option, so let's keep this over here. Okay, and for some reason we have a white space here. This is stroke, we don't need stroke here. Okay, perfect. And we should also get rid of the stroke from here. All right, and we are done with it so far. And lastly, of course not lastly, we have this banner of the discard. So let me just do this discard banner, and let's see, we have we have a good inspiration, and let's find out a good inspiration. All right, all right, let's see what we have over here. Okay, this is also very simple. This is the best one we wanted, and even this is already in this design system, right? So let me just pull this out, and perfect, wonderful. Now take it over here inside. All right, it should be middle align like this. The color should be filled with black. All right, and yeah, wonderful. Now let me just take the stuff from here. So here I am doing one thing, is I will give it a color like discard. What do you think? I think this is fine. This is fine. Let's copy the stuff here. Copy the text and paste it. All right, so here I will make this 64 maybe, or let's do 48. All right, and this one should be 18. So let's try do 20. But once we have this 24, and these should be either Ubuntu or enter. Okay, so I think for now let's use enter. It should be regular, and this should be minus 2. This is perfect. So now groove it. Now you can see over here these arrows are over here, right? So this is because it pointed out to the CTA. So I think it's a very, very good approach, right? So we already created the discard button. So let me just pull this from here and put it over here. All right, Now select this, Shift A to make it auto layout. These one, Command X, paste it over here. Alright, and now Shift A to make all component. Alright, and it should be middle aligned. So yeah, I think so far so good, but one thing that we can do over here is I will take it, I will give it an auto layout here. It should be from left to right, it should be 32. Alright, and this should be fill container. This one should be also fill container, but since it's a rectangle, so let's remove this and add our color. Okay, so add the color of this one. All right, and all right, and now this one should be also fill container. All right, this one should be also fill container. Fill container. Container. Okay, perfect. We have too much, you can see over here groups here, so this is also, you know, like sometimes it's a bit messy to work on. Okay, frame, this is frame, this is content. So let me just ungroup this content. Okay, for this one and this one, let me, okay, I will make it, remove the auto layout, and I will place it over here. So now this one is over here and this one is over here. The button, I will make this large. I think it's already large, so I think this is perfect. And for the roundness, I will give it 24 pixel roundness here. Okay, so I hope this part is also clear for you guys, and we are done with this one. Join us on our Discord. So coffee is a text, paste. I think this icon should be a little bigger, so I will go to the main component here. Return to extensions needed to go to over here, so go to main component, and here I will select all the icons and I will increase the size to maybe 20 pixel. All right, so 20 pixel is fine. Now go back, unselect the, I think this is now fine. All right, so we have this color doesn't match, so I will make it our primary color here. And for this icon, I think this is good. All right, perfect. So now I think for this one, it should, if we do it the same way like this, it is perfect. Okay, so for this, let's do it like this. This one and this one, it should be vertical, and for the spacing, I think it should be 32 in it. Need it to be middle align. This one and this one should be also middle align. Perfect. And this one should be also middle align. Now this icon should be over here, and this icon should be over here. Now I will increase this, give it 90 pixel, and this one should be also file container. Okay, so now if I decrease more of this, it looks perfect. All right, so I hope it will give you a clear idea of what we can do, of how we can do this section. Okay,